Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zambia, and we are here at Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp, proudly brought to you by Africa Ferrati. My name is Sarah, and I'm the General Manager of the African Bitcoiners team. And Africa Ferrati is a project within African Bitcoiners. So our mission is to expand the Lightning Network in Africa, and thanks to our partners, Bitrust, Theta, OpenSat, Plan B Network, Bitcoin Zambia, BitDevs Zambia. We're happy to bring you the Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp, and it's been such an amazing time here. I just love the excitement and the curiosity the developers in Lusaka came here with. And right now, they're actually coding, and their instructor Simons is seeming to be so proud of the progress of the students. So it's been such a beautiful time here, and I'm so happy that we actually got to do this. And yeah, really, that's all I can say. Seriously, thanks to everyone who made this happen, especially Indesa from Bitcoin Zambia and Emmanuel from Bitcoin Zambia. If not for both of them, I'm not sure we would have pulled this off. And yeah, I'm just very excited to see what the developers come up with today. Yeah, that was it from me, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nicholas Kunga. I've been one of the participants in the Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp. This bootcamp has introduced a world of technologies to me. We are discussing the Bitcoin, an introduction to Bitcoin, as well as any related developments that have been introduced. And I've learned so much. Our presenters, our hosts have been very kind, and they've introduced us to a wide variety of technologies. I really enjoyed dealing with the Lightning Network. We used Polar to simulate transactions, we opened channels, and it has introduced me to a lot of new things that I wish to implement as I go ahead in my software development career. This might sound optimistic, but at one point, if the resources allow and the time allow, I want to find those lost Bitcoins, the 4 million, is it 2.3? Yeah, 2.3 million Bitcoins, and access that, because it's a really interesting field. So for those interested in attending, I'm sure there'll be another one. They will give an announcement, and feel free to come and enjoy and gain a lot of insight, a lot of knowledge in this wonderful world of Bitcoin.
Hello everybody, this is Agnes, the co-founder of Bitcoin for Alliance Zambia, and I'm so excited to be part of the Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp, which was very helpful. We've learned how to build Lightning networks, thanks to Bitrust and to Bitcoin Zambia. So with the knowledge that I have gained from this bootcamp, I'll take it back to my community for other ladies and other youths to learn what Bitcoin developing Lightning is.
Hi, my name is Calvin Maseko. I'm head of marketing and brands partnership in Bitcoin Campus Zambia. And I've attended the Lightning Network Bootcamp with Freeroute in Africa. And I must say it's been a great experience for me. It's one of the best experiences university has introduced me to. And I'm excited to actually share my knowledge with more people. And I'm hoping that by the time I'm ending the year, maybe in 2 years' time, I'm a full developer and I can work on more Lightning networks and just help build the future of Zambia and Bitcoin.
Hi, my name is Teresa Karemba, and I'm one of the participants who took part in the Lusaka Lightning Development Bootcamp. Personally, I've actually learned a lot. I didn't have much information about Bitcoin, but attending this bootcamp made me understand what Bitcoin is really about, how it works, and having a background of some cryptography, I had the privilege to actually learn how private keys, public keys actually made. I actually learned a lot. I also learned how to use different types of software tools in terms of how transactions are made.
My name is Onpes Kambombe, a student from the University of Zambia. I had an opportunity to attend this bootcamp, and it was, of course, very powerful, very educative, and I've taken out at least one or two skills from this bootcamp. One of the skills that I've just gotten from this bootcamp is I'm able to develop my own simple applications that would be able connect Zambians to other business sources so that they'll be able to make payments using Bitcoin.
Hi everyone, I'm Namakau Tembo, a third-year ICT student from the University of Zambia, and I was privileged to be among the people who were given a full scholarship to come and attend the Lusaka Lightning Bootcamp. It's been an amazing journey. It's been a hands-on experience. We've been developing, we've created a lot of things, and looking forward to going back and implementing all the things I've learned into something meaningful and get back to my community. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Delis Ubande, and I am a software developer and student at the University of Zambia. I am here at the Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp, and I have learned a lot about developing on Lightning, developing different applications and different solutions, and the different ways that we can utilize the Lightning, the framework, on developing applications. My experience here has been awesome. I couldn't believe what I was learning. It was a bit overwhelming because it's a lot, but it's the learning curve is not so steep because Simon, our instructor, is so good at it. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone, depending on where you're watching this from. My name is Tilo.
And I'm Tamara. We are Bitcoin Zambia.
So we're coming to you from the Lightning Bootcamp in Lusaka. Wow, what an amazing experience. It's been with you so much. Can't wait to share it with our communities.
Yes, so from what we've learned creating Lightning wallets, it's really going to help us as Bitcoin Banamayo because we have had difficulties in actually teaching our women how to use Lightning wallets. But now that we've actually physically attended this bootcamp, it has helped us understand it way better in a way that we can actually explain to our women here in Zambia in a simpler, most understandable way. Yes.
So we've got so many Bitcoin creators in Zambia, and we don't have a platform for Zambians, by Zambians, where everybody can come together and put their products on. So look out for more exciting projects that are in the pipeline. So everybody should stick around and watch out for our project coming from Zambia.
Hello everyone, my name is Mwila Walima, a Bitcoiner and now a Bitcoin developer. Thanks to Bootcamp Zambia, I have managed to become a Bitcoin developer. Thanks to the sponsors that brought up this bootcamp for us, we have managed to learn how to develop in an open source with Bitcoin. Thank you very much, and we're happy to practice our experience that we've learned so far.
Hello everyone, my name is Chikondi Nanyangwe. I was one of the participants of the Lightning Developers Bootcamp, and my original inception of Bitcoin was from BitDev Zambia, and it was from BitDev Zambia that I was able to attend this camp, and not only attend it from a standpoint of learning, but also from a standpoint in which I can teach others. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Elijah Ziambo. I've been a Bitcoiner from 2017 and a member of BitDev Zambia for about a year now. I've always been interested in Bitcoin, but apart from sending and receiving some, I never got technical or practical. So this was my first developer bootcamp, and I've learned about the Bitcoin core software and how to build locally on Lightning and actually deploy a live Lightning app. Make sure you check out Zapjar. All thanks to the Lusaka Lightning Developer Bootcamp. Thanks to all the sponsors, BitDev Zambia, and everybody.
Hi, so my name is Sanjay, and I just completed attending a 5-day bootcamp, Bitcoin bootcamp, and I am not a software developer. I have never done any code in my life or any computer science in line, but at this bootcamp, we were taught about Bitcoin. I've been learning about Bitcoin for the past 5 years, but all that knowledge was actually taken up a notch or to the next level in just 5 days. Going forward, I know now I have a 60% strong idea of how to go about Bitcoin saving, mining, and investing, and how to earn it, and also what I plan on doing in the future. I believe with the integration of Bitcoin, learning how to connect savers on the network, I am now in a situation where I can progress and be empowered. Thank you.
Welcome to Lusaka Bitcoin Lightning Developer Bootcamp. It was an exciting event. I think Zambia has good developers, it has good talent. And from this bootcamp, I want to say thank you to our sponsors, Bitrust OpenSats, for allowing us to connect with such an amazing dev audience. And we've seen great products in the last day. So cheers and thank you so much.